top of the top. So currently today we are installing the Sirimoto N1 CMC. So I'm currently gonna go to VCD Racing and get that shit installed. I would have done it, but I'm not the best. Yo, follow boy Countries on Media, subscribe, like for Drewski. I would have done it myself, but I'm not really good with shit like that. So hit me out of the E85 cold start on the SI, you feel me? But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go get that shit installed today, and we're gonna go on an adventure. It's like in the East LA area, El Monte area. So, hey yo, peep the drip. You feel me? Nah. But I'm gonna bring my skateboard, so I'm going on an adventure today. I'm going to GoPro adventure, so that should be dope. And yeah. So this is the kit. Keep it in here. This is it. So I'll pick this shit up whenever we get to the shop. Picking up the vlog, man. So I said I wasn't going to adventure, but you know, an emergency happened that you know, all that shit had to go, you know, to another day. But pretty much I'm on my way now to go pick up my car from VCD. I call him Lewis. Everybody knows him as VCD. I'm going to Lewis's shop to I got the clutch master cylinder, the Sirimoto N1 installed. So we're gonna see how it is, you know. I wasn't gonna give you guys a walk around of the shop, but like I said, something happened, had to take care of. So if there's not a lot of people in there, I'm gonna go record the cars and shit. I'm gonna show you his car, which you can watch all my other videos. Like, I've been recording his car. So actually, yeah, you should go. If you want to see his car up in person, I'm gonna put the link down on the video. I mean, I can get another view. So go watch it on my channel. I'm about to record it. And I got an Evo 9, and he owns a barbershop. No, not saying that, but he has his barbershop name on it. It's pretty dope. But yeah, so I'm really hoping that this clutch master cylinder takes care of the problem of having that delay bullshit that I fucking hate the SIs have. And that's that new era fucking stick shift shit. I've always had older stick shift cars, and they've all had racing clutches, and they felt amazing compared to this. So make a left here. So we're pulling up, and I'll give you guys a review as the days go on. Alright, so he installed it. Let's see how it is. It do feel different. I don't know. Got this one. This is his right here. Carbon mirrors, carbon fender, carbon hood. I got the T's. Dope. Lucifers, carbon boards. I wanted this hood, but like looking at it, I don't know. I want the hood scoop to be like bigger, so this shit hard. That's probably fast. Got the Advance. Oh yeah. Z. R7. Shit looks dope. Not the wheels, but. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for him to pull up. The clutch masters in it just don't feel like the biggest difference, but I'm pretty sure it is. This is the shop action. It's dope. Gotta get a. I think this is what make all the clutches. So it's dope. But yeah, anyways, about to pull up with my girl and then see what time they pull up. Hopefully it won't take forever, man. I got shit to do. So I just picked up the car and this fucking, ooh, you could feel more of the vibration of the gas as, you know, as I'm doing this shit. Second. Oh, the clutch goes in better now. The bite point is better. I mean, it's lower. Like it goes in. I don't know, it's hard to explain. I like it better, so that's dope. Yeah, I like the feeling you get. Yeah, I like it. If you have an X-Gen, you gotta do this shit because if you got an SI, you gotta do this shit. I feel like it's only a couple miles. Let me see how it is when we actually, you know, like as time goes by, how it lasts. But for sure, it feels better. So we made it to this little local park by Lewis's shop. We're just gonna chill right now, connect with nature for a bit, do our thing, and yeah, chill with my baby. I want you to feel the clutch for the camera.
Oh, is it better?
I feel like it engages faster.
But
it feels more like how it should feel.
Okay. Yeah, you know how sometimes like you get your car back from the mechanic or auto repairman or whatever.
Yeah.
And like it feels good at first, but then
yeah, that's
later
what I'm
on it starts
so far it feels good.
up. Oh, it's a little smoother.
It's smoother?
Yeah, it's not as hard.
And the engagement point is slower. Yeah. Lower, I mean. Like hit the gas? Like just put your foot in the clutch and hit the gas. Put it in like first gear and just like go through a gear. It feels smooth. Oh, you don't have to hit the gas.
Oh. Yeah, this is a little smoother.
Yeah.
But yours was always smooth regardless.
It wasn't like, but
I
it was.
always like the short shift